launch detected.
Hello, it's your boy The Shack, and welcome back to BBT, Born Before Technology. You've got a brand new hard drive. Now what? I have the perfect unboxing to solve this exact problem. What you need is a SATA external hard drive case. Stick with me and let's unbox this hard drive case. Here's the product right here. USB 3.0 to 2.5 inch. So what does it say on the back? Compatible devices, USB disk casing, USB 3.0/2.0 enclosure for a 2.5 inch internal SATA HDD or SDD to create a portable backup hard disk. It's got human nature design, easy installation, driverless, meaning you can just connect it straight to your computer and you don't need to download any drivers from the internet or anything of that nature. Super slim, easy portability. Maximum support capacity is 4 terabytes. That's always good to know, so you can know how big of a hard drive you can fit into it. The ones we're going to be using is a 320 gig. The shell material is made out of plastic. I wasn't too fussy about that because, to be honest, I just needed something that can transfer the data. It doesn't have to be anything fancy or anything like that. I actually got this off Take-A-Lot for 110 Rand. So it's one of those things to check out. So here it gives you the different supports, and let's break into this. So what have we got in the box? Oh wow, this is nice. We've got the case here with a little plastic film on it. And then there's the port right there. And I like the fact that it's see-through. It's actually, you can see all the components on the inside there. Oh, this is great looking. And they give us a USB 3.0 cable. And how you know it's 3.0 is because usually the 3.0s is a very old cable. It's got those two right there, it looks like that, USB 3.0. So it's USB A to USB 3.0. Fantastic. Let's get this wrap off. Oh, lovely. Oh, okay, it's got a nice feel to it. It's like it's very slippery. It can be slippery. It can be very slippery. Okay, so now to open it up. One problem, the thing is in the box there was no instruction manuals, no nothing. So after some fidgeting and figuring it out, I finally figured out how to open the case, and look at this. It's a slide. How cool is that? So you just slide it open and then it gives you the two components. Quite simple. So what we're going to do is okay, so let's put it so you can see the components. You're going to slide it into that like that. You can see those teeth fit right into those slots right there. And then you got your hard drive. It's gonna fit quite nice and snug in there. And then all you gotta do now is slide the case closed. Whoa. Is that closed? Then all you gotta do is slide the case closed. Just like that. And there you go. You've got a hard drive you've got now a brand new case for your hard drive, so you can get to backing up all your documents, and everything you need is going to be safe and protected. And it's quite a sturdy case, you know. Like, you could drop it, yes, it will probably crack the plastic. However, if you're careful with it, this could take you quite a far way. Just a quick also demonstration how this now fits in here for those BBTs who have never used USB 3.0. Let me give you a quick run through. So all you're going to do is you're going to fit this into that port right there, and it solves just like that. Simple, right? And then obviously this end is the one you're going to plug into the computer, and then there you go, you've got a hard drive case. Now you can plug it into your computer, and then you can go right ahead and back up your documents. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you now how to format the hard drive and how you can be able to store documents and create your own backups. So stay tuned. Howdy, peace.